Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ka Sorkar Jylla ka Lashim ya ka Rai ban Pynsangeh no Shwa ya ka Tamasa Meghalayan H ya ka balapan benadang Shendau Menteri Rangba ka Jylla Konrad K. Sangma ban penlong ha ka Shnong Thadlaskeiñ ka badan ha West Giant Hills District ka ban sedang naduk ka New Tarik haduk ka Khatsan Tarik Ulber Arjar Arpo hadian ba ka tanat ka koit ka khia jong ka Sorkar Pedeng bat ka Sorkar Jylla kila ajing mut ya ka Sorkar Meghalaya ban Pynsangeh Shwa ya ka ni ka Tamasa namar ka jing sapriang jong knyang jingpang coronavirus ubalapoi menta ka kenti hado uput usam jongkari India. Menteri Rangba ka Jylla Konrad K. Sangma ha ka jingikren bat kilat pathai kubor ha ka Henry Tarik Ulber Arjar Arpo ulai tho ba watla ka Sorkar ka Lashim ya ka Rai ban Pynsangeh no ya ka ni ka Tamasa henrai on penlong bujli no da ka jingyalang lani ka conclave ban yatheri yatai kumno ban kentiu ya ka kam jingokai perthai ha ka ni ka Jylla ha ka ba ka Sorkar kan sa shujiet no ya ki nongwani shimenta la kumno tang hapo khandai phongut AA.
So therefore, yes, it is a concern for us, but keeping in mind the kind of planning that has gone into this, which you are aware, we have planned this particular program for the last 5 months, and during that time, we were not aware, of course, of the situations. Therefore, it was difficult for the government to completely cancel everything. But having looked at all the aspects, we strongly feel that if we can have this program in a form of a conference and a conclave, which will ensure that the general public does not become a part of this, I think we'll be able to avoid most of the risks that we are all concerned with. Therefore, a conference will be held, a conclave will be held. In the initial part, when the conference takes place, as I said, media persons will be there, different stakeholders from the tourism sector will be there. And during the conclave, ministers from Government of India and officials of Government of India will be there in that conclave. So therefore, we had to decide and we thought that this would be the best way to move forward to ensure that whatever investments made, we can take maximum benefit out of it, yet at the same time ensure that our people are also safeguarded and are not exposed to any kind of risk that could come up. For the first 3 days, we will have different stakeholders from the tourism sector. For example, magazines and blogs and different kind of media houses like Lonely Planet, like Condé Nast Travelers, like we're having people from Airbnb, the head of Airbnb will be coming. We'll be having some very big names from Facebook, Instagram, Twitter who will be coming in. These are all people who will help us market and give a very good story of Meghalaya, and we hope that through these platforms we can really take Meghalaya's tourism to much higher level and give it a slightly more high-end tourism edge to it. So this, as I said, has been planned for a long time. So therefore, as I said, we are going to ensure that we balance things out and get the maximum benefit, yet ensure that we safeguard the people also. Screening systems have been put up in different parts of the country. Now there are different kind of screenings. First, of course, at the international airports, all the people who are coming in from Italy, Iran, South Korea, Japan, and China, of course, and people who have indirectly passed through China, South Korea, Japan, Iran, Italy, Hong Kong, Macau, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, Nepal, Thailand, Singapore, Taiwan. These all, they have to be medically screened in all the international airports while they enter India. Apart from that, there are individual screening centers also in different domestic airports also, and mandatory screening in terms of a declaration by every passenger coming in, mentioning about where they have been in the past, I think 30 days, is also being asked to be filled up. So the screening centers are there. Even in Umroi, we have that screening center that's there, and and from today or tomorrow, We will also be having a proper medical screening center where there will be medical equipments that will be put in. So therefore, there are screening centers coming in. It's not true that the medical screening centers are not there. Even Guwahati, the screening is happening, and even Umrah screening is happening. From tomorrow, as I said, we'll have the medical screening also taking place. Let us also be very clear also that banning tourists is not the appropriate way to move forward. In fact, Government of India has also given an advisory saying that don't ban foreign tourists. That is not the way. But there are certain countries from where the visa arrival and visa entry has been blocked. So those in any way, any case cannot enter the country. So therefore, yes, banning and stopping people is not always the answer, but it is important to ensure that we have different mechanisms in place. And as I said, from the government side, many steps have been taken, center as well as state, to ensure that these kind of screenings and proper records are being kept. Just for the knowledge and information of all of our people, we had almost close to 61 students who had come from China, who are from our own state, our own people, who have been studying there. And there have been some from China, some from Singapore, some from Thailand. And while they came in, they were screened. And once these people were screened, they were put on isolation and quarantine at homes. And for the past 28 days, 54 of them have come out clean without any kind of, any kind of symptoms. And another 7 are also under observation for just a few more days left until they touch 28 days. So department is doing its part. Every day these students who have come in from these different affected countries, who are our own people from our own state, they have been screened, they have been monitored, and they have come out without any symptoms. So these 28 days quarantines have been taking place. So a lot of things have been going on, and government has taken taken steps to ensure that necessary protection and necessary precautions are taken.